Do a little demonstration on how to clean stainless steel of rust marks or acid marks. I'm going to introduce you to a couple tools of the trade. Our first tool is this Brasso metal polish. That is our first choice because it's the least invasive. Our next tool and our more aggressive option is the Scotchbrite pad. This is actually called sand lite, but anything similar like an abrasive Scotchbrite dish pad will work. And then to finish it off, we have the stainless steel cleaner, which is just going to clean up the marks left by our products. So the first thing to do is get a little bit of Brasso, and we're going to apply it to the marks and let it sit for a few minutes. You just want to take a little bit on a finger or a clean cloth, and you want to dab it and let it sit for 5 or 10 minutes on the offending marks. Give it a chance to act a little bit. Then with a piece of paper towel, in a few minutes, you're going to want to come back and give it a hard rub. The important thing is to keep the rub with the direction of the grain. So you can see on this hood fan, the stainless steel has a grain that runs horizontally. And so, especially if you're working on a corner, you just have to make sure you're rubbing directly in the direction of the grain. This stuff is very lightly abrasive, so it will make visible scratches if you go out of the direction of the grain. But so you just want to polish over a mark for a period of time and check to see if it's done, get a little bit more on, and keep going. That's going to take care of most of your minor acid marks or rust marks. Now if that is not successful, we go up to the next level, which is our Scotchbrite pad. You want to fold the pad in such a way that it is not going to bend and hit the other edge by mistake. What I like to do is bend it and use the stiffened bent edge, and then you just want to work gently right on the joint. If you need to touch the face, you can do it very slightly. Try to avoid that if possible. And you can just work it until it's done. And then when all is said and done, when you've got your marks gotten rid of, just give it a wipe off the excess, and give it a quick clean with the stainless steel cleaner, which sprays on like that, and it's just going to even the stainless steel right out again. Now on the chrome part of the hood, or a more delicate material like copper, Brasso is not good. Brasso can't be used on copper because it will remove patina, and it will make small scratches on something like this polished stainless steel. So it's okay to use it on an edge, but don't use it directly on the face. For that, you'll actually need a polishing wheel. So this is a good solution for an edge, even a curved edge like this one here, but not for the face of the polished stainless steel. I hope that helps, and let us know if you've got any questions. Thank you very much.